accepting invitations politely and naturally is an important English skill. In this lesson, we focus on common expressions like yes, I would love to, and that sounds great. These phrases help you respond warmly when someone invites you to an event or activity. Knowing how to accept invitations builds friendly relationships and shows appreciation. Saying just okay sounds cold. Saying I accept your invitation sounds too formal. Instead, use warm phrases like that sounds great. Thank you for inviting me to sound friendly and polite. Here are 5 natural ways to accept invitations in English. Yes, I would love to works for any invitation. That sounds great shows excitement. I would be happy to come sounds polite. Sure, that would be fun feels casual. I cannot wait shows strong enthusiasm. This lesson focuses on 2 perfect phrases. Yes, I would love to, and that sounds great. Both phrases sound warm and positive. When teaching these, emphasize using a friendly smile and happy voice to make your response genuine. Show kind enthusiasm when accepting invitations. Combine strong positive phrases with gratitude. That sounds great. I would love to shows excitement and thanks. I would be happy to. Thanks for inviting me sounds warm and sincere. Always use these with a positive tone. Add short phrases that show happiness when accepting invitations. Yes, that would be lovely. Thank you. Sounds kind. Sure. That sounds nice works for casual plans. Use a soft voice and smile to make your response warm and build connection. Practice these 2 perfect phrases. Yes, I would love to works perfectly for any invitation. That sounds great. Fits events and plans. Memorize both phrases and use them confidently in real conversations. You now know how to accept invitations confidently using natural English. Remember, yes, I would love to, and that sounds great. Practice these phrases with a smile and warm tone for the best results.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.